Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Linkvertise, which is stuck on loading. Step number one, to see the solution guys, you need to understand what is the cause of this problem. Cause number one is browser extension or ads on. Then cause number two is the browser cakes and cookies. You can go ahead and clear them. Then cause number three is the DNS issues or the domain name systems. So guys, how to solve this? We have a couple of solutions. We have solution number one, which is try a different browser. Switching to a different web browser can sometimes resolve the compatibility issues if you're experiencing problems on Linkverse while loading. Alright, so step number two, you can also go ahead and clear the cache and the cookies on your browser. It will then solve this problem and Linkverse will load automatically. Then solution number three, disable all the extensions on your browser or even the add-ons. It will also solve the problem. Step number four, you can also check your network connectivity. Sometimes you may be connected to Wi-Fi, but it may be slow. So it may be the cause of this problem. Then step number five, you can go ahead and also try a different device or network. If you're connected to a different network, try another Wi-Fi connection and then see if it can load. So briefly guys, that's how to solve this. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet in the next video once again.